This is the St. Andrews Winter Wonderland Christmas event. This is the 8th year. I love this place, but everybody who's around here helping, we all love St. Andrews, and to help out the community.
Volunteer and help today, whether you're working today, whether you're here with your family, or whether you just came to get a toy and some free food, we thank you for being a part of our community this Christmas holiday. So everybody have a good holiday.
I think today's event is fabulous. There's resources, there's face painting, there's free food, entertainment, and people coming together in the community, supporting each other, and letting the younger generation know that we can all get along no matter what. And people catch on and they want to donate and they want to be a part of it, they want to give back.
So if you want to head right on over here, a nice little story about Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, Frosty the Snowman, come and participate. We've got some goodies for you. Hope to see you over there. Thank you very much.
We have a group that's here that's doing reading to kids. That is so important, to get kids back into reading and not just be on the internet, but you can find out a lot of information, a lot of good positive information by reading a book. Or if you don't know how to read that good, somebody will help you. I just try to instill to always give back. Let's keep on going, sharing the love, and come together as one and be one big happy family.